Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, January 22, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has identified Nvidia as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 5.63. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 21.5% since we first recommended Nvidia as a buy candidate 11 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.95% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend and is showing signs of an even stronger rate of rise. If there is any price pullback, there will be support at the previous trend level of $582.09, which could provide a second opportunity for investors. According to market analysis, there is a possibility that the stock could reach a new high of $652.08, but this level may act as a resistance and could require multiple attempts to break through. Looking at the short-term trend for the next 3 months, there is a potential 24.9% change in the stock price, with a return range of 7.22% to 21.88%. For the longer-term trend of 12 months, there is a projected 103.55% change in the stock price, with a potential return range of 63.54% to 119.74%. This suggests that the stock could reach a price range of $975.56 to $1,310.86 after a year. Our latest update on Nvidia reveals some exciting news. The headline reads, Nvidia stock upgraded to strong buy candidate. On the last trading day, Monday, January 22, 2024, the Nvidia stock price increased by 0.274%, going from $594.91 to $596.54. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this positive trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $590.70 and a high of $603.31, representing a 2.13% change. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by an impressive 21.5% after increasing in 8 out of the last 10 days. The trading volume decreased by 9 million shares on the last day, with a total of 45 million shares bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $26.61 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate a possible divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Looking at the broader picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $603.31, while the lowest price was $178.18. Currently, the stock price is 1.12% or $6.77 below the 52-week high of $603.31, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, January 19, 2024, it was reported that Raymond James gave Nvidia a strong buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 16, 2024, KeyBank rated Nvidia as outperform with a hold action. On Monday, December 11, 2023, Cowen and Company gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital rated Nvidia as a buy with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have unanimously given Nvidia stock a strong buy rating. They have also rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. In today's analysis of Nvidia, we have identified some interesting signals. The chart shows mostly positive signals for the Nvidia stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also confirms a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a downward correction, it is likely to find support at $568.88 and $502.56. However, a breakdown below these levels would trigger sell signals. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 31.1% increase in the stock so far. This upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is reached. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite the stock prices rising. This divergence between volume and price could be an early warning sign and should be closely monitored. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there is a buy signal. Pivots, there was a buy signal 31 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, there was a buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, there was a buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, there was a buy signal 52 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, there was a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average, there was a buy signal 54 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, there was a buy signal 44 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. Let's talk about the support levels for Nvidia's stock. Currently, there is support just below today's level at $531.40 and $495.22. Support levels are important because they indicate a price point where buyers are willing to step in and prevent the stock from falling further. However, if the current support level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level, which is at $531.40. If that level is also broken, the next support levels to watch out for are at $495.22 and $487.16. It's important to note that Nvidia is considered to be a high-risk stock due to its volatility. This means that the stock may experience significant price fluctuations throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band, which measures volatility, indicates a large prediction interval for Nvidia. Looking at the recent data, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.09% over the past week. This means that on any given day, the stock can move by around 3.09%. In the last day alone, the stock had a price range of $12.61, representing a 2.13% difference between its high and low points. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors have high expectations for future growth. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $3.76. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at potential day trading levels for Nvidia. When analyzing the stock, we notice that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This means that under the right conditions, the stock could make a swift upward move. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine the ideal exit point. On the downside, we see that Nvidia encounters its first support level at $531.40. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders who anticipate a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Nvidia has a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades involved Stevens Mark A., who bought and sold a total of 71,648 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated a negative insider power with a ratio of -34.464. Overall, insiders purchased 450,407 shares and sold 917,509 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $579.72, which represents a decrease of 2.82%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. The Relative Strength Index, RSI 14, currently stands at 84, further increasing the risk. However, it's important to note that there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom identified 30 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Nvidia is showing several positive signals and has recently broken a strong upward trend. With the stock also in great technical shape, we consider it to be a promising choice at its current levels. We anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a strong buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For Tuesday, January 23, we expect Nvidia to open up $0.310 and start trading at $596.85. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. Please keep in mind that by using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Leave a comment below and share your opinion. What price do you think the stock will reach? Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a successful trading day and wish you all the best from the team here at StockInvest.